Welcome to SkyBlue Kennels. We've been caring for Austin's dogs since 1972. More than 50 years of wagging tails and peace of mind for families. Our facility sits on 7 peaceful acres in East Austin, creating a calm and comfortable space for all the dogs in our care. SkyBlue welcomes all breeds and temperaments as long as they don't show aggression towards our staff. Each dog or dog family has their own indoor-outdoor run, and we also offer our smaller friends a more quiet spot in Tiny Town. Every dog enjoys at least 3 daily play sessions in one of our numerous outdoor yards. Plus, you can make their stay extra special with add-ons like nature walks, enrichment sessions, and private playtime. SkyBlue also offers basic grooming services such as baths and nail trims so you can enjoy a clean pup upon pickup. At SkyBlue, our goal is to be your dog's home away from home. We can't wait to meet you and your pup.